This is really remarkable.
This is just a demonstration of my prowess, sir. The real miracles require investment.
Ah.
Now the dimwit will use invisible waves to destroy the little sailing boats before they get to other side of pond. Still avoiding magnetic mines.
No, you have to release.
Shush! You're not here for this smart talk. The steam, the telegraph machine, the motor car. They will all seem pedestrian in comparison to this technology. We are not reliant on wires or coal or gasoline. No, just rays in the air. Like the voice of God.
And funding from us?
And funding from you, of course. But what thing to fund? What an opportunity! No one is stupid enough to pass this up. Not even Dimwit here.
Hey, you really want to work on yourself.
Americans! All you think about is sailing! In my world of danger, even little boats can sink, okay? Please!
Thing? He's not controlling that thing.
I assure you, probably I am.
It's on a rail, it must be.
Clearly we have more than one dimwit here.
Rules the seas.
Very good, very good. Now bring in the boat back here. As I say, any fool, huh? Thank you, thank you.
What is that?
It is the stuff of life, sir.